the garden of my heart, planted his love from the very start. With every word, he waters my soul.
Y'all, I used to dread cleaning our sneakers. Scrubbing them by hand was messy. It took forever and never seemed to get them as clean as I wanted to. Tossing them in the washing machine felt risky. I worried about damage or them not coming out looking fresh. But then I found this shoe washing machine bag by Better. Yes, y'all, they actually sent these over to me. Now, the first time I used it, I was amazed. It was an easy process. The whole process was super easy. The soft, fluffy fibers inside the bag gently scrubbed our shoes as they washed, and the mesh fabric let water and detergent flow through perfectly, giving them a deep clean without any extra effort. When I took them out, they looked fresh and felt like new. Plus, I didn't have to worry about them banging around in the washer or losing their shape. One thing I love about this bag is the side opening invisible zipper. Unlike other shoe bags I've tried that open from the top, this one unzips from the side, making it so much easier to slide my shoes in and out. And the zipper tucks into an elastic band, so it doesn't snag on my clothes or pop open mid-wash. Such a smart design. They're also super roomy, fitting all shoe sizes easily. I've used it for my sneakers, casual shoes, house shoes, and even my granddaughter's little shoes. And every pair comes out looking amazing. And because it's reusable and durable, I don't have to worry about them wearing out anytime soon. After washing, I just hang it up by the built-in strap and it dries quickly, ready for the next time I need it. Honestly, this shoe washing machine bag by Better has saved me so much time and effort. No more worrying about damaging our shoes in the washer. Just clean, fresh sneakers with barely any work on my part. If you're tired of struggling to clean your shoes, this is definitely something you need to try.